I am thankful for my family, everything that God has done for us.
I'm thankful for God, family, everything. Decor.
Who?
So we can make a book. So we can walk.
I am thankful for the whole journey, the highs and lows that got us to where we are and where we're about to go. Thankful for being with family.
I am very, very thankful for life this morning. Thankful every day, but I'm especially thankful this morning for life. Thankful for that I know God through Jesus Christ and that my family is here with me today. I missed some of them, but that's okay. They're being with other family members. So I'm very happy and thankful to God for my family and my life.